Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case from Supcase for your Galaxy Z Fold 5. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so you decided to pick up the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and you're looking for some cases. Look no further, I have one of my go-to cases for especially heavy duty. If I'm going hiking somewhere, riding a bike, or even if you work in construction, this is a great case to have for your Galaxy Z Fold 5. It will add protection to it. It gives you the overall feel for it. It is a bulky case, but they work really well with your Galaxy Z Fold 5. It's probably one of the best cases I use, especially if, like I said, if I'm going walking around outside somewhere rocky. I know this case will protect my phone if I dropped it. I need to shout out Supcase for actually sending this to me out for review. In this video, we'll make sure everything fits well, everything lines up, can your wireless charge with it. Just go over the overall look and design of the case. Nice packaging from them. You can pick this up from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. This is the Air Unicorn Beetle Pro. Bam. Let's see what you get in the box. Just tells you instruction manual, how to install it. Also the S Pen installation there. So they sent me their, I guess that's a maroon or taupe color. Now this is the one thing I wish they would change. I wish they would send you one without the screen protector on there, but this one has the screen protector built in. It also has the kickstand, a little hinge protection, that's where the pen goes. You have some, Supcase branding in there, drop protection. This has like this felt material, so helps from scratching up your beautiful device. So like I said, heavy duty for sure. And then the kickstand is really sturdy. It's a really sturdy kickstand, so washing thing. Now let's see how this thing fits in here. I don't want to call nobody. Trying to put it on wrong. So it fits snug there. Put this bad boy in here. So you get a lot of room for your fingerprint scanner. But let's make sure that this bad boy is on there. Now the one thing you might have to do, I have a screen protector on here. So you might have to change the sensitivity so that way it will work for both the screen protectors. But it's not bad. The only thing, like I said, with the screen protector, you can feel like you're touching plastic. I wish they gave me an option where it did not have the plastic screen protector on there. But you can see you have enough room for the power button. It works great. As you can tell here. The vine rockers, let's feel that out. Nice and tactile, easy to press. Everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at the top. Now you have the hinge protection. Also, look, camera protection there. You got a lot of camera protection. And also the lip action around the whole phone. So, I mean, you can drop your phone and not worry about breaking it at all. I know an $1,800 phone, you would drop it. It sounds kind of crazy, but this case will protect your phone. Now when you open it up, you do have some protection there. And then also, again, it covers up your display. So if you're going to try to use like your camera, it will cover up some of your screen. Which is not a big deal breaker for me, but it can be. You can actually use that kind of like a kickstand too. Now with the pen, it just slides in here pretty much like that. and now you're carrying your pen around. If you want to push it out, you just pop it out like that, and you have your pen again. And it just stays there with that great hinge protection too. Let's check out the kickstand. So if you're watching videos like that, even if you open it up, you can, it holds it pretty well. Let's see, even if you wanted that type of angle, but I think it's meant for that angle there. Which is, I mean, the kickstand is really sturdy on here. It's not like a little cheap kickstand. So, and you have that Unicorn Beetle Pro. Can you wireless charge with it? Let's see. And yes, you can even wireless charge with the case on there. So, what y'all think about it? Y'all let me know in the comments. Again, it adds bulk to your phone. I mean, that's no lie there. Definitely makes your big Galaxy Z Fold 5 even bigger. But it has great protection for your cover display or main display outside. You also have camera protection. Everything lines up perfectly. It has the pen holder in there, so you don't have to worry about carrying the pen separately. Has a kickstand in there. Y'all let me know if y'all like it. Also, if you want to pick this case up, look in the description. I will have links there. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.